how to transfer Facebook account to another mobile number. So if you want to transfer your Facebook account to another mobile number, then you need to open up your Facebook application. Once you open up your Facebook, now you just need to simply go with the upper right, which has that 3-bar icon. Scroll down, and here you need to go with settings and privacy. Tap on settings, go with the account center. Under account center, you need to go with personal details. Under personal details, go with contact info, and then tap on add a new contact and add mobile number. And you need to enter the mobile number and choose the account for the number. Enter the mobile number and tap on next, which is on the bottom of your screen, and you will receive the verification code to the number which you've just entered. So enter the verification code. Once you enter the verification code, your number will be added. Once you've added your number, you will have two mobile numbers, right? So what you need to do is simply go with your previous number, and you need to go with delete number. You need to delete your previous number and you need to go with the new number. And after that, your Facebook account will be transferred to the new mobile number which you've just added. So that's how you can transfer your Facebook account to another mobile number. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.